B-roll. Me and my cousin about to go hang out, and I hope Shamari actually literally and
stop that whooping.
He do.
So you gonna pull up till I shut it.
He do. So look, we finna go in the gas station. Come on, let's go.
Imagine like this.
Say taquitos.
My daddy said I am not grown.
Girl, what you get? Say taquitos, girl. She funny as hell. She got taquitos, y'all. That's good. Okay, so I did my eyebrows and I think they look great. I'm about to start my hair. It's about 4:54, which 5 o'clock is not bad. I'll say I'll be finished by midnight. That's my prediction. But I'm going to do some extra smooth. No, I don't have time for that actually because I have work tomorrow afternoon. So I'm gonna do medium knotless and I'm gonna do them to my waist. Okay, let's get started.
Believe everything we had was last young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Clearly I need to dream of one day having a kiss. But it's so biased to fight when it's wrong. Believe I still for your things. I'm smarter than that. So woman, I need to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realized I got myself. All I got is what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Goodbye, now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Myself, that's all I got. Is what I found out.
One down, 500 more to go. I'm gonna come back when I'm like a quarter done because I do have work in the morning. This is basically a get ready with me or whatever.
Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realized I got myself. That's all I got. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Goodbye, now I'm gonna be my own best friend. Myself, that's all I got. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Goodbye, now I'm gonna be my own best friend. I please myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
I got like 3 hours before I have to get ready for work. So let me see if I can finish this in like that amount of time. Okay, so look, I haven't even braided these down, but it's 9:50. It's the morning time. I woke up and I've been doing this for about 2 hours. Now I got one piece I'm working with. 11 o'clock roll around and it's time to start getting ready, like actually get in the shower and everything. I can put this in a bun, wrap a scarf around the perimeter, and like my work uniform is green, so like put a green scarf going around, which in this new facility, they not like too strict on stuff like that. It's just great. It's just great all around. But let me stop yapping so I can finish my braid.
Shit you do to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted it, I'd hate you. Shit you do to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh?
This taking too long. Let's fast forward. Okay, peep, I did. Like I tried to do my edges, but like I I curled them. It's just, I don't know if the curl gonna hold. And it's really humid in here. So I think it's so tea. And I put it in the bun. Now I'm gonna wipe my face down. Okay, so I just woke up. I'm about to get myself ready, and y'all can finally get ready with me because I don't have work until tonight. So I haven't finished the top of my hair. How you see me in that last clip is exactly how I went to work. I don't want the glue to set in, not the glue, but it worked like glue. I don't want the gel to set in my hair and be stiff. I'm gonna dip my braids, but I want it all to be fresh. You see, like, the parting is neat, but like I wanted to have that fresh effect still, so I need to finish it tonight. So I'm about to part the hair. I had a few errands to run, but I'll have to do that tomorrow, only because I'm not gonna be able to finish my hair and go to work and like turn in what I needed to turn in on my laptop all at the same time. This is 60-inch stretch braid hair, but 30 inches once it's braided. And it don't take that many pieces for real to do a braid, just because I'm making like really medium size braiding, and I don't want no thick braid, but I don't want it skinny either because of the parting. So it's already long, it don't take that many hairs. Okay. And the bun is how it is. This is what I used. A big jar. Because be transparent, these jars are getting expensive. A good jar of some really good control is like $30 for a 46, I was gonna say 46 ounces. Not even, 9 ounces. I'm gonna start from the front. I'm gonna start from the back and go forward. I'm gonna add one more. That's easy. I was trying to hype myself up to do this because my hand cramping now. Because I really didn't feel like doing this after a double. But if I want to pull some more doubles, I need to finish my hair. So I gotta rush home. I actually do have some errands to run, so I'm gonna put my clothes on and keep on braiding. We just gonna go from there first. I do my perimeters first because I know, and my lashes are really cute, but I slept on them. This is right off the wake up. Let me get dressed. I ordered some Wingstop. Okay, I finished this side. I have started the front and didn't finish the end of the braids, but I finished them on this side, so this is what they look like. This side is undone, and this side is done. So all
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing 60 slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the dollar in my shorty bag. Know she wanna run when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my fingers shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. The young stunner, till I die. Before I go, would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my pain, you selling action. These days, no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the midst of this in my